Assistant, I need you to find Judy Hopps. This is fun.
Did you hear that? Santa hid a Judy Hopps and we have to go find her.
That's right, Santa hid a bunch of plush toys in Christmastown, right?
Yes, and we need to find them.
Waffles, do you want to help? Wait a minute, Waffles, are you over here by the swing? You think Santa was in the swing?
I can get a bird's eye view.
You see her? We gotta find Judy Hopps. This is for Zootopia too, right?
Yeah, it comes out so soon.
That's right. We're super excited to see Zootopia too. But
Yeah.
first, we've got to find Judy Hopps, right?
Yep. Go, Waffles! Hey, over here, it's Marshall!
It's Christmas Marshall.
Hello, Marshall.
You know Paw Patrol's got a special Christmas special coming out too, don't you?
Oh, yeah. Waffles wants to say hi to her friend.
Waffles, what do you think about Marshall? You like Marshall? Waffles, look. You know what we have for you?
She likes to one singular wing.
Sometimes she doesn't stuck to her paw. What do you think, Waffles?
I'll just put it on her back.
Alright, well let's keep looking for Judy Hopps, okay?
Okay.
So let's go around here in our secret passage. Let's look inside the Christmas house. Nothing in there.
Keep going.
So here's Mickey and Minnie
Music. I wonder what song this is.
Probably
Mary had a little lamb.
no, it's a Christmas song, silly.
Waffles, I found another friend of yours. It's Chase, Waffles. Look, it's Chase.
Chase is on the case.
Yeah, say hi.
Hey, hi, Chase. What's up, Chase? I think she likes Chase. All right, so we found Chase. What did they find out? But we still haven't found Judy Hopps.
Nope, let's go into my playhouse.
Yeah, let's see if we can. We gotta find other people from Zootopia as well.
Look, it's Flash.
I wonder how long it took Flash to get up there.
Probably like a year. Definitely since last Christmas.
Probably. Wait a minute, Waffles. Did you know there was a treat in here?
Where?
On your table.
Oh, Waffles, you want a treat?
We've got treats. Waffles likes treats.
But you have to sit.
She's sitting. Okay. Might be
Let's see if she can catch it.
That's a big treat to catch. You might want to break it in.
She's
You might want to break it in half.
She's licking
You
her
don't want
lips.
to knock her off.
What, ready? She's licking her lips.
You want it, Waffles?
Bro.
That wasn't a good catch. And it's gone.
Alright, we found Flash.
Hand me one treat and then I'll keep it with me. That way if Waffles gets distracted, we can give her a treat.
Which ones are these? They're peanut butter and banana.
Yeah, she really likes them.
Okay.
Alright. Well, you know who else might like them?
Judy Hopps.
Oh, she's a rabbit. I don't think she Waggles might like them.
Oh yeah, Waggles isn't out here though. Come on.
Waffles, you want to come? Come on, Waffles.
Okay.
On we go. So we found Flash, which was very helpful. Flash is in Zootopia too, isn't he?
In the first one.
And in the first one. You're in the Christmas area.
Waffles, can you jump up here? Look up here. Look. Jump. Jump, jump.
Oh, look, there's part of a tree up there, Waffles.
Waffles, look, it's a treat. Get it. Treat. We believe in you. Yay!
Yay, Waffles!
We've trained her.
Ish. Alright, but that's not Judy Hopps. Waffles is the wrong animal. We gotta keep going. Let's keep looking around, okay? Nothing here. Over by the tree. Here's Santa's workshop.
Anything? Nope.
Nothing there. Alright, further into Christmas town we
Keep going.
go. He's an igloo. He's a spinning penguin.
Merry Christmas.
And then here's Snoopy sitting on a fireplace.
Look!
Wait,
Dude, it's
Crush!
Crush.
Hey, Crush! I think Crush should be in Zootopia too.
Dude, yeah. That's how he talks.
Dude, like I totally want to be in Zootopia
Dude,
too.
totally tubular. You want a backpack?
I don't think you're going to see it. It's still too dark. Alright, well, we're going to keep looking at Christmas now.
Alright, Crush, you can stay here and keep watch.
So we've got...
Candy Castle.
Yeah, but what's over here by this tree? Oh, the tree's starting to fall down. That's
No!
suspicious. Anything?
Nope, nothing. Down here. The Grinch.
It's the Grinch. I'm a mean one.
Mr. Grinch.
This is assistant.
Green.
Why don't we carry the Grinch with us? No, you can leave Grinch out.
Okay.
Where are you going to do? We'll do that.
Bye-bye, Grinch. But we still have not found Judy Hopps.
And we definitely know Santa left it. We saw Santa.
Yes.
Where is Judy Hopps?
Let's see if we trained her. Look up here. Look up here, Waffles.
Oh, good job.
Trained her.
Good job, Waffle. Since you were a good girl, look, we'll
She
give
says,
you this.
where's the treat?
We'll give you that treat. That was a good girl, Waffle. You're still not Judy Hopps. We got to keep going.
She got it.
Well, she'll get it. Don't worry. She'll eat that treat.
Outside Christmas town.
So here is the abominable snowman, Santa,
Anything in the bag?
candy cane.
Oh, nothing.
Nothing in there.
A Minion!
It's a Minion.
Minion! This looks like, maybe this is Bob. I think this
Is
is
it Bob or Stuart?
I think this is Bob.
What's up, Bob?
Bob,
I
Christmas
think of
Bob.
Dino.
Beto.
That's
Hi,
good.
Bob. Let's keep going.
Wow, so we got to keep going. We found Bob.
Rudolph.
Oh, it's Rudolph the blue-nosed reindeer.
Red.
Oh, red. Yeah, that makes more sense.
Red like my Santa.
That's right. You know what? If he smelled yellow snow, he would have an orange nose.
I
Ready?
guess
Yellow,
that's
make
how
orange.
it works. Oh no.
That's a really, really bad joke.
Santa!
Well, here's Santa.
Waffles, you want to take a picture with Santa?
Ooh, look at his beard. Oh, look, it looks like he might have eaten some dirt. Waffles! It's your big day! It's Santa!
Take a picture, Waffles. Smile!
Smile, ready? Very cool. Wait,
Judy Hopps!
it is Judy Hopps right there.
Yes! We found her!
You
That
found
means
Judy Hopps.
we found everybody, and now we can finally watch Zootopia 2!
That's right. So thanks for Santa for hiding all of our members of Zootopia 2, right?
Zootopia, and we can't wait to see the new movie.
Let's see what Santa has to say now, right?
Right.
Wow, that assistant is good.
Now, are you ready for a cow joke? Why did the cow go to space?
To see the moon, of course.
Us alligators tell the best jokes. What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator.
What do you call a penguin in the desert? Lost.